In BizTalk360 version 11.6, we've introduced new enhancements to simplify administration and bring greater automation to your day-to-day operations. BAM Automated Task is implemented to automatically execute maintenance actions and keep your environment optimized. Until now, administrators had to manually run maintenance scripts recommended by the BizTalk Health Monitor. Tasks like database cleanup, purging tracking data, or optimizing performance often required manual effort and scheduling. With the BAM Automated Task, BizTalk360 takes care of this automatically. The feature comes with predefined SQL scripts to handle performance optimization, database purging, and maintenance. Once configured, the automated task can be mapped to any health check profile that's already scheduled for report generation. When BizTalk360 runs the health check and identifies a recommended maintenance task, it automatically executes it, ensuring your system stays optimized at all times. With the reporting enhancement, users can now include EDI and BAM dashboards as part of scheduled reports. Previously, the reporting module supported only administration and analytics dashboards. Now, users can create custom dashboards for EDI or BAM data, add custom widgets to visualize metrics. In the EDI dashboard, monitor important metrics such as total interchanges processed today, failed or delayed transactions, partner-wise message flow and batch status. Similarly, the BAM dashboard gives business users visibility into KPIs like average order processing time, AS2 activity and response tracking, partner performance trends. Once configured, these dashboards can be mapped to the reporting section to generate automated reports, daily, weekly, or monthly, and receive them directly via email. The service instance monitoring feature is enhanced. Now you can target specific filters by applying advanced filters, such as service name, service class, host name, error code or description. In addition, you can integrate automated tasks to take action when a violation occurs. For instance, when suspended service instances exceed 100, system can automatically terminate non-resumable instances. Email notifications can now be sent securely using Office 365 OAuth authentication, aligning with modern security standards. Simply select the Office 365 OAuth option and execute the SMTP Authenticator tool available in the installation folder. Then, provide the credentials and establish a secure connection. Ensuring server uptime is critical for any BizTalk environment. With the latest enhancement in version 11.6, you can now integrate automated tasks with server availability monitoring. Previously, when a monitored server went offline, BizTalk360 would alert you about the issue, but recovery still required manual action from the administrator. With automated task integration, when a server is detected as down, it can instantly execute predefined actions, such as triggering a PowerShell script or restarting essential services. The automated task custom workflow feature allows you to execute a set of actions sequentially and automatically. In this release, custom workflows are enhanced to include IIS app pools, NT service, and logic apps tasks, enabling you to take immediate action whenever a violation occurs. Check the release notes to learn more about these updates. Upgrade to the latest version to use of all these enhancements.